heard a story about an old grandmother. She used to open the front door every morning and look to heaven and say, Lord, you know my needs. I know you will provide for me. Thank you, O Lord. I love you. That she used to say that every day. She had a next door neighbor who was an atheist, who did not believe in God. One day this old grandmother came outside, lifted her hands, and she said, God, you know I need groceries. I have no food in my house. Please help me. She went back and she continued her day. Next day when she opened the door, she found lots of groceries in her front door, and she was excited and she said, thank you, O Lord, for giving me the groceries. You answered my prayer. The next door neighbor laughed and shouted at her and said, oh dear old lady, your God did not give you those groceries. I am the one who bought it, and I left it for you in front of your door. This lady went on her knees and said, thank you, O Lord, for giving me the groceries, but you made the devil to pay for it. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter with God. Our God can work in mysterious ways. There are people who may not like you, people who may not like you to see your face. But let me tell you, when God touches someone, even everyone who doesn't like you will begin to appreciate you. Today you might be saying that my family doesn't like me, in my workplace people doesn't like me, in my colleagues doesn't like me, but let me tell you, you are in the hands of the Lord. What you need to do every day, you commit your life into the hands of the Lord and you move on. When you do that, one thing is sure, that the Lord who looks after you will provide for you, will hold your hand, will lead you and make impossible things possible, because we are serving a good God. So today, be assured that the Lord loves you and He cares for you. Thank you for tuning in, and the Lord bless you.